My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make pinstripes in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you a very basic way you can do this. I'm going to go to my fill bucket, and I'm going to select a dark gray or black, it's up to you. And suppose I want to make, actually, you know what I'll do? I'll start with a circle. And it depends, this really all depends on what you want to pinstripe. So then I'm going to create a new layer. And I'm going to use the line tool. And I'm going to make my pinstripes white. And 2 pixels should be fine. It's really up to you. Depends on how you want your stripes to look. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I've started my stripes. So I'm actually going to go ahead and, once my shape is created, I'm going to hold down Option or Alt. And I'm going to drag it like so. And just hold it down and keep doing that. And eventually, if you're doing it around a circle like I'm doing, eventually your stripes are going to be too big or too small. So I'm going to just work with what I've got that's smaller right now. And then I'm going to merge these by holding down Shift and clicking Merge Layers. I'm going to go ahead and copy that too. So I'm going to hold down Option or Alt, drag it across, and do that for now, just so that I can get my 2 sides done. So then what I can do is just draw from here, just bigger lines. I'll make them really big. And then I'll drag it in the right place. And then I'll just do that again. And what I'm actually going to do is only draw a few. Then I'm going to merge those layers by holding down Shift, right click, rasterize layers. And then I'm going to hold down Option, or actually then I'm going to merge layers. And then I'm going to hold down Option and then just drag across like so. And there you have your pinstripe circle. So then what I'm going to do is, suppose your pinstripes are a different color. If you decided to do them gray. So I'm going to just show you. They were gray. Now you see my lines are overshadowing this circle. So what I can do is I'm going to convert to Smart Object because I color overlaid. So this is what your layer will look like. You can just create a clipping mask, and right away it'll get rid of all of the overlap or overshadowing lines. My name is Alex, and this is how you draw pinstripes in Photoshop. Thank you.